Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I've got another tutorial for you guys. This is another bright and summery tutorial, even though outside it looks like it's about 7 o'clock at night, but it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It's so overcast for some reason and it looks so dark in my room. I've got like lights on and everything. That never happens, it's so weird. But I've got this bright tutorial to hopefully make me feel like it's still summer. This is inspired by when the sun is setting and like one half of the sky is like really dark and blue and the other side is like where the sun is setting, so it's like orange and yellow and all those kind of colours. So yeah, that's where my inspiration came from this look. We've got the nice dark navy on the outside, then the orange and then yellow on the inner corner. So yeah, I really like this. I love how contrasting it is. Very hard to blend, I have to say. Trying to get the orange and blue to blend together did stress me out a little bit, but I show you how it kind of worked out in the video anyway. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm starting this look off like every other video and priming my eyes. I'm using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance for this look, and I'm going to apply it along my lower lash line, on my lid, and all this my brow, just to keep everything in place so it won't crease and keep the colours really vibrant. And I'm starting off with the colours using the Inglot Eyeshadow in 478, and I'm taking that on a MAC 217 brush and I'm just blending that into my crease. This is going to be my transition shade for the later colours. To deepen the look, I'm going in with Inglot Eyeshadow in 483, which is a really deep navy. And I'm taking that on a Makeup Geek defined crease brush, I think it is. And I'm applying that into my crease, starting on my outer corner and bringing that around into my crease. And navies take a while to blend, so just keep adding some more, blend it out, add some more, blend it out. It will build up really nicely eventually. And then I'm going back in with some of the sky blue shade and applying that just back around the edges just to help blend it all out and soften it. And you can always go back in with more navy if you need it. Now I noticed that I got a good bit of blue on my lid, so I'm just going on with a bit of concealer just to take out the blue because we are putting yellow on top, which will make green. Not in a cut crease, just patting it on. And then for the yellow, we're going in with Inglot's Eyeshadow in 60. This is a really nice buttery yellow, or like a sunflower yellow, I would say. And I'm packing that using a flat brush on the inner third of my lid. Then I'm taking Inglot's Eyeshadow in 51, which is an orange. And on another flat brush, I'm patting that onto the center of the lid. And just where the yellow and orange meet, I'm just patting over the edge. Then going back in with a little bit of the yellow, and then going back in with a little bit of the orange. Eventually they will blend into it. They're very easy colours to blend together. Here I am going back in with the yellow. And back in with some orange. Now to get the orange and blue to blend in together, I just patted over some more blue onto the orange and then went back in with some of the orange brush and pat that over the blue. Same as I did with the yellow. And then for my lower lash line, we're going in with the navy again on a really small, teeny weeny little brush and getting that as close to my lower lashes as I could, just on the outer half. And then going in with a Real Techniques shading brush and taking the sky blue shade and just smudging that out a little bit. I'm tidying up my under eye with some concealer and just getting rid of my dark circles. Then I'm taking the yellow and popping that on my inner tear duct area. I didn't use an inner corner highlight. This was my inner corner highlight because I thought it was really bright and it'd be really fun in there. And then the gap between the blue and the yellow on the lower lash line I filled in with the orange. For my brow highlight, I'm going in with the 373 shade from Inglot, which is a matte white. and just popping that right under my brow and then blending that down to soften any harsh edges. For liner, I'm using the Bobbi Brown gel liner in Ink Black, and I'm doing a decent sized wing. It's nothing too major or too natural. It's like a medium wing, if that makes sense. I'm taking the Modern Twist Kajal pencil in Squid from MAC, and I'm popping that into my waterline and making sure to get in between my lashes as well, so there's no gaps. And I'm finishing off with some mascara. This is the MAC False Lash Mascara. Popping that on my top and bottom lashes. And then onto the cheeks, I went in with MAC's Modern Mandarin, which is an orangey, it's orange but with a bit of peach in it, but it's more orange than anything. Popping that onto my cheeks because it goes really well with the orange on the eyes. And then I'm going in with the Equinox, I think it is, highlighter from the Sleek Solstice palette, the peachy one. I'm popping that on my cheeks as well to highlight. Didn't do any contour for this look. And next I'm going in with MAC's lip pencil in Whirl, and I'm lining my lips with that. And I fill them in lightly with that as well. And then for my lipstick, I'm using the MAC's Liptensity in Clouds of My Coffee, and I'm popping that all over that lip pencil, which is a really nice nude. Alrighty guys, so this is your finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yeah, I like doing these tutorials, and it's very rare that you will see very neutral looks on my channel because I tend to wear these looks anyway, and these are my favourite looks to do and they make me feel the most creative. So yeah, I do some neutral looks, don't get me wrong, but I tend to prefer these sort of ones, and sometimes when I do neutral looks there's something a little bit different about them. So I hope you do enjoy these videos, and I hope you take some inspiration from them, or at least techniques from them. Yeah, and if you did like this video, then give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think of the look, and if there's anything you want me to do in the future. And yeah, hit subscribe down below as well, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye!